everyone, I'm Machu from Machu Tattoos. So today the topic which we're going to talk about is why my tattoo looks so patchy even after the peel off. In this video we are going to talk about why this happens and how do we not make this to be happen. Let's get into the topic now. Usually when you go for the getting tattoo done, for example, you are going to get the particular tattoo which have a fillings in it. So when the artist did the tattoo, they will be clean throughout the process. So if it's any gaps or something was there, or if it's any filling, he'll be do the filling it up, or artist will be do the check it up completely. Then artist will ask the clients to check it one more time. So once the client checked that and once he is satisfied, then they will be wrap it up and they will be go ahead with the next procedure. Tattoo is done. They will be throw the needles and all the stuffs. So at this time clients needs to understand artist has filled your tattoo properly, correct? That's why you have accepted it and it's the filling, everything is properly. But once your tattoo got healed after like a 5 days, once the peel off happen, or after a 1 week or 10 days, midway of the peel off, if your tattoo looks patch or if the color is not filling properly, that's not meant to be the artist mistake. And you may ask, then how it happens? I'll explain you. There are two reasons to be happens. One is if the skin got peeled off at the time of peeling off situation, if the skin got peeled off before healing, then the particular place color will goes off. So it will start to give the patch look. And the another important thing is artist will recommend you to use the cream. Okay, you need to use that cream. If you are not using that cream and you are going ahead with your own methods, or for example in our studio we recommend to use the tattoo protector cream because for our inks and the methods tattoo protector will give the best output. That's why we are recommending it. So if you are not using it, obviously you are not going to get the best output, correct? For example, you are going to the hospital getting a surgery done or any medications done, but doctor giving some medicines to continue to reduce that particular inflammation or infections or any that disease purpose, but you are not taking that medicine and you are going ahead with on your own and you are not taking ahead the particular medications which the doctor said. Will the doctor accept you the next time? Obviously not, right? And you will not get cured also, correct? The same thing will be implied in our tattoos also. When the artist says to use the precautions and ask the procedures to follow, just follow all those things blindly because they knows very well and they have the much more experience to maintain it the tattoo in the longer duration. So follow that particularly. So these two are the main reasons for tattoo will be get looking patchy even after the peel off. So if you are blaming your artist for not looking perfect and not looking patch, you would have seen this in the time of after the tattooing also. After the tattooing they have shown you and it's got completely dark and there is no gaps at all, everything it's all goes fine, right? Then this doubt should not come to you. So these might be the two reasons we would have done the mistake. Obviously no issues at all. You can visit the studio, they can ready to help you out if it's the small tweaks and tips. I think they'll be do it for the free of the cost, most of the studios, so you can go ahead and you can ask them, so no need to worry at all. If you guys have any more doubts, do comment us in the below section. We'll be help you out and we have shared our social media links in the description. Don't forget to go through and follow us in the Instagram and subscribe our channel. Don't die nude.